Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best metal detectors in the market for 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these metal detector, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Garrett Pro Metal Detector. A good entry-level metal detector includes features and settings that help you get started right away. These models usually only work best in a single type of environment: beach, freshwater, saltwater, desert terrain. So, before too long, you may find yourself looking for a different device to expand your search range. The Pro balances user-friendliness with more advanced features while also being able to handle almost every type of terrain you might search. This model comes with common features such as preset search modes, iron audio, and Garrett's digital target ID feature, which helps identify materials on a range of 0-99. It also boasts a higher search frequency of 15 kHz that lets it find materials with higher precision and even identify gold nuggets under certain circumstances. The most notable feature, however, is its two audio settings, Standard and Pro, which are essentially toggles between the basic tones one might hear with standard metal detectors, and a professional audio mode that provides a more nuanced sequence of tones depending on which materials you are detecting. Unlike many of Garrett's less advanced models, the Pro allows for manual ground balancing, which helps you fine-tune your search settings in highly mineralized soil like saltwater beaches. This model usually costs around $700, which is a fairly significant expense. Still, novices with spare funds and other treasure hunters looking to step up their game will find the Pro to be a solid long-term investment. Number 2. Garrett ACE 400 Metal Detector. Metal detecting can be a fun and rewarding, lucrative hobby, though it certainly is a learning curve. Mostly, that means sorting through dud finds before you get any actual valuable treasure. Luckily for those looking to get started, Garrett's ACE 400 has many features that eliminate much of the guesswork. It comes with 5 preset detection modes to help you target specific items: coins, jewelry, relics, zero disc, all metals, and a custom setting that will locate items you may have found before and don't necessarily fall under other preset categories. It also includes a digital target ID feature, which displays the conductivity of detected items on a scale of 0-99, along with a printed reference scale on the top of the display. Another important feature is its iron audio function, which allows you to locate junk iron targets and avoid digging up unwanted items. As a nice bonus, the ACE 400 is very light, only 2.9 pounds, meaning it could even be used by children. Its main downside is a lack of manual ground balancing, which helps you fine-tune your search in highly mineralized soil. Think saltwater beaches or ground full of naturally occurring metals. Even so, it's a good option for most beginners who will want to master the basics of metal detecting before trying to handle such technical adjustments. Number 3. Minelab CTX3030. If you're serious about metal detecting, you are going to need a machine that can operate in any environment while also providing the most accurate readings possible. Minelab CTX3030 is hands down one of the best metal detectors for any situation. In terms of basic functionality, its multi-frequency feature allows it to produce cleaner signals from objects hidden deep underground, even beyond 8 inches, which is where most standard detectors begin to struggle. This feature also means that you will be able to pick up distinct signals from multiple items at the same time, quickly helping to determine if the current search area is worth your time. This model comes with preset search modes, including some that are standard to other detectors, such as coins and relics, but also beach, silver, and high trash modes. There are 5 additional custom mode slots, so you can further customize your search preferences. The CTX3030's LCD display provides a wealth of background information on your search, such as item depth, conductivity, and iron content. Most notably, this device features a GPS function that automatically logs areas you've searched before and allows you to pinpoint them on a computer map, even offering the option to add notes and pictures to previous searches. As a result, it's easy to keep detailed search logs. High performance and a multitude of features does come at a price. However, Yet even at $2,500, serious metal detector enthusiasts can certainly get their money's worth. Number 4. Minelab Excalibur Roman 2. Metal detectors are pretty versatile machines. Many models can even handle being submerged in up to 10 feet of water in the course of your search. However, if you want to dive deeper than that, you're going to need a sturdier and more powerful device to make up for all the interference that being underwater brings. The Excalibur Roman 2 fits the bill. Though it lacks some novice-friendly features found in many models, such as preset search modes, the Excalibur Roman 2 was built to perform under difficult conditions. It includes Minelab's multi-frequency feature, which sends out signals at 17 different frequencies simultaneously, along with the iron masking feature, which automatically eliminates noise from junk targets. The combination of these two features alone will have you finding coins, relics, and more at a much faster pace. This model's main draw is the fact that it can go up to 200 feet underwater, letting you combine metal detecting with diving and opening up more possibilities for you to find things. It also works excellently outside of water and is able to handle highly mineralized soils since it was built with deep water environments in mind. Because it is such a powerful machine that functions nearly anywhere, it is considerably expensive. You can easily expect to pay at least $1,500 for a brand new model. Number 5. Nokta Gold Kruzer Waterproof Metal Detector. Though the days of old-timey prospectors wielding pickaxes and dressed in long johns are long gone, gold prospecting is alive and well today. Specialized metal detectors make the task of finding gold nuggets considerably easier. Nokta Gold Kruzer is a powerful unit that can help you find gold nuggets big and small in difficult, high-interference terrain. What makes this unit particularly useful for gold prospecting is its 61 kHz operating frequency, which helps identify highly conductive gold nuggets more easily. It also sports 4 distinct operating modes, which allow you to make adjustments for different environments and circumstances: relatively clean soil with little interference, terrain full of hot rocks, and terrain full of other metals and minerals that can disrupt the signals that gold produces, and a micro mode for areas littered with small, easily masked bits of gold. The Gold Kruzer is also highly weather resistant, so it's ideal for places where sudden rain or dust storms would otherwise cut a search short. Features such as preset modes and discrimination settings common to other metal detectors are available as well, making it viable for all types of metal detecting, though gold prospecting remains its strong suit.